Hello and welcome back to Senior Travel Made Easy. If you're someone who believes that the best adventures are still ahead of you, you're in the right place. Today, we'll dive deep into the world of senior travel, sharing essential tips that can transform how you explore the world after 60. Whether you're planning your first big trip in years or you're a seasoned traveler seeking fresh insights, this guide will cover everything you need to know. From safe arrival strategies and budget-friendly options to making your journeys not just possible, but thoroughly enjoyable. Remember, while these tips are based on years of experience and research, always consult your healthcare provider and check current travel requirements before your trip. Let's begin with the foundation of smart senior travel. It's not about limiting yourself, it's about traveling smarter. The wisdom that comes with age is your greatest asset. You know what you enjoy, what you can handle, and what you'd rather skip. Before booking any trip, start with an honest assessment of your health. Speak with your doctor about your current condition, not as pessimism, but as practical planning to ensure you truly enjoy your adventure. Senior travel is about freedom, choosing comfort over cost-cutting, quality over quantity, and meaningful experiences over simply ticking boxes. You've earned the right to travel on your terms. The best tip? Plan for success, not just survival. Pick destinations and accommodations that enhance your experience, not challenge your limits. Next, let's talk about mastering safe arrivals and destination selection. One of the simplest yet most powerful strategies is to always arrive at your destination during daylight hours. This reduces confusion, makes navigation easier, and minimizes stress, especially in unfamiliar places. Choose cities that are walkable, offer excellent public transportation, and prioritize accessibility. Think of places like Singapore or European cities with comprehensive tram systems. Research hotels with elevators, ground floor dining, and proximity to medical facilities. Look for destinations with reliable infrastructure, English-speaking services, moderate climates, and strong tourist support systems. These details create a stress-free foundation so you can focus on enjoying your trip. Navigating airports can be daunting, but with a little preparation, it becomes manageable. The TSA 311 rule still applies, but if you're 75 or older, you can keep your shoes and light jackets on during screening, and you're permitted to bring larger quantities of liquid medications with proper documentation. Consider investing in TSA PreCheck or Global Entry to save time and energy at security lines. When booking flights, prioritize comfort. Choose extra legroom, aisle seats for easy access, and consider upgrading to premium economy if possible. Always pack essential medications in your carry-on along with copies of your prescriptions and bring more than you think you'll need. For long flights, use compression socks, pack your own pillow and blanket, and stay well hydrated. Efficient packing is even more important for senior travelers. Make a checklist with all medications, comfortable shoes, weather-appropriate clothing, and any mobility aids you use. Keep medications in their original containers with clear labels and bring a doctor's note for anything unusual. Remember that basic toiletries are available at most destinations, so you can pack lighter. Packing cubes are great for organization, and a weekly pill organizer helps manage medications. Make sure your travel insurance covers international trips and consider supplemental coverage if heading to remote areas. Pack a small first aid kit with your essentials. Being prepared for minor health issues can prevent them from disrupting your trip. Mobility and accessibility are key to enjoyable travel. Honestly, assess your abilities. Can you walk long distances, or do you need frequent breaks? Choose hotels with elevators, accessible rooms, and easy paths to amenities. Many hotels now cater specifically to senior travelers. When sightseeing, prioritize attractions with elevator access and ask about senior-friendly tours. These typically move at a gentler pace, offer more rest stops, and provide convenient transportation. Pace yourself, stay hydrated, and listen to your body. The wisdom to go at your own speed makes the journey more rewarding. Cruises are an excellent option for seniors. They allow you to visit multiple destinations while only unpacking once, and they offer onboard medical facilities and activities for all energy levels. When choosing a cruise, look for itineraries with longer port stays and easy access to attractions. Senior-friendly lines offer priority boarding, enhanced accessibility, and tailored shore excursions. Remember to budget for extras such as gratuities, specialty dining, and excursions. Senior-focused shore tours provide comfort, security, and camaraderie, making them an appealing choice. Budgeting for travel doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. Many airlines, hotels, and attractions offer senior discounts. Always ask when booking, and consider joining organizations like AARP for added savings. Traveling in the shoulder season offers lower costs, better weather, and fewer crowds. Senior travel packages can bundle accommodation, meals, and activities, often providing better value and less stress. When choosing accommodation, focus on overall value. A slightly more expensive hotel with a great location and included breakfast may save you more in the long run. Solo senior travel is on the rise, offering independence and freedom, but safety should be a top priority. Start with destinations known for low crime and good infrastructure, and avoid places that might be overwhelming for a first solo trip. Be wary of travel scams, trust your instincts, and never hand over your passport or money to strangers. Stay connected with family or friends. Share your itinerary and check in regularly. Choose well-reviewed accommodations, especially those recommended by other solo senior travelers. Traveling after 70 requires a bit more planning, but remains entirely possible. Start with a comprehensive medical checkup, update vaccinations, and ensure adequate medication supplies. Focus on managing existing health conditions and invest in travel insurance that covers pre-existing issues. Maintain a routine while on the road. Stay active, eat regular meals, get enough sleep, and avoid overpacking your itinerary. Technology can be a tremendous help, but keep it simple. Use smartphone apps for translation, maps, and currency conversion, but have backup plans like printed maps and written addresses. Stay in touch with family, but don't let constant communication distract from your experience. Bring a portable charger and understand how to access Wi-Fi at your destination. Staying connected can ease anxiety and boost confidence. Remember, senior travel isn't about limitations, it's about liberation. You can choose quality over quantity, comfort over unnecessary adventure, and meaningful experiences over mere bragging rights. Stay flexible, be prepared, and embrace the occasional hiccup as part of the journey. Every expert traveler started as a beginner. Begin with shorter trips to build confidence, then expand your horizons as you become more comfortable. Your experience and planning make you an ideal traveler. Embrace the journey, trust your instincts, and remember, your best adventures are still ahead of you. Thank you for joining me on Senior Travel Made Easy. If you found these tips helpful, subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest advice for making your travel dreams a reality. Safe travels, and remember, the world is waiting to welcome you.